Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kumar Jha and you are watching Code with Anand. In the previous video we talked about workflow rule and in this video we are going to talk about the second automation tools which is known as process builder. So before moving that I just want to say that if you are new on this channel please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so you will get the notification as soon as I upload the video and share with your friends. This is gonna be really helpful. So let's move to our today's topic, process builder. So process builder we are going to use in the sales object, sales application. If you want to know that where I can find that, just click on app launcher and click on view all, and you will get all the application created by yourself, user, or provided by the Salesforce by default. So we are going to use this application. So let's start our today's process builder topic. So for definition, if you want someone ask you what is process builder, then you can say that the process builder is a workflow tool or automation tool that helps to automate the business process without writing a single line of code. In the Salesforce, this is really advantage. There are two ways you can do anything, like with the help of codes, FX code, and with the help of point and click logic, where you don't have to write any single line of code. So process builder is a tool through that you can automate the business process without writing a single line of code. In this lab, we are going to work on the account object where if the location is changed or address is a change, at that time this rule will be fire. So let's start our today's lab. So click on setup and click on setup and you will get the new tab, and on the new tab under the quick find box you just type here process builder, or you can just type it as a builder. You will find that you will get that a process builder under the process automation. Just click on that and you will get the again new window, not new window, under the same window you will get that where all the processes are created and stored. So creating new process, just click on new, and then it will ask you to give the name of the process. So I'm going to give the name as contact address change, and click anywhere outside the box and you will get the API name automatically, and then it will ask you when this role will be fired. So when this rule will be a start. So I'm going to select that as soon as the record is changed, this rule will be fired. This rule should be fired. So click on save. After saving that, you will get the GUI, graphical user interface, where you have to do all the things like adding object, adding criteria, immediate action, and everything. So for doing that, first of all, we need to add the object. On which object we are going to work. So for doing work, just click on add object, and in the find box, you just need to give the account object. Type as account and you will get all the account object and select which one on which you want to work. And then it will ask you when we have to start the process. So as soon as the record, only the record is created, or on when the record created or edited. So I am going to select the when record created or edited, this process will be fire, should be fire, and click save. After saving that, we are added account object, and the next part is add the criteria. So for adding criteria, you just need to click on add criteria and then it will ask you everything. So to add criteria, just click here, and then it will ask you first to give the criteria name. So criteria name is going to be address change. It's address change, address change, and then it will ask you criteria for executing action, like when condition are met or formula to be true, or no criteria, just execute the action. So I'm going to keep it in as a condition are met. When the condition met, this should be fire. Then it will ask you set condition. So how we are going to set the condition when the billing street should be changed. So just click on lookup field and type here billing street, and you will find that. Sorry. So billing street, type string, and API name is billing street. Just click on choose and you will choose here. Then it will ask you to the operator, add the operator. and operator is going to be eChange, means when it is going to be changed, and the set value as should be true. When the billing address is going to be changed, this rule should be fire. And then condition, under the condition just choose that all the conditions are met and click on save. So our criteria is also added. Next thing is the you need to add the immediate action. Oh sorry, you need to add the immediate action, like when this is going to be fired, what action after clicking on this rule, what action should be applied, action should be going to be applied here. So adding immediate action, just click on add action, and this is going to be ask you your what is going to be your action type. Then you need to give the add action type, like update, delete, and what. So I'm just going to give that update the records and select here. Then it will ask you the action name. Then I'm going to give action name as update contact addresses, and then it will ask you add the record type. For the record type, you just need to click here and select the record type related to the account. Select a record type related to your account. Then it will give you a drop down here, and under the drop down you need to select the contact, because we are going to work on contacts also. Okay, under contacts is going to be billing address and everything. So just select here contacts here and click on choose. This is pretty powerful stuff, so you can want to check, take a pause and you can check about that. I'm going to, otherwise I'm going to give the link of description, link in the description of this trailhead. For creating the criteria, you need to here like no criteria and just update the record, select here. Then it will ask you to set the value. Under that you need to select the field. The field is going to be mailing address. So just type here mailing address, street, and select your mailing street. Then it will ask you field reference type. So just click here and field reference, and then in the value you just type here billing address, billing street. So just click on under the lookup field and type here billing street and just choose here. So our action is ready, immediate action is ready. And just wait what it's pause. uh, uh, say billing street and choose. So billing address is chosen, and now we need to click on save. So our immediate action is also applied here, and then we need to activate it. And so just click on activate. So our process builder is ready. Click on confirm, and next term is we need to check that it's working properly or not. So for checking that, you just need to testing that, you need to click on app launcher here, and then click on contacts. You need to click on contacts, select here, and under the contacts you need to select all the contacts in the recently viewed. Just click on here and all contacts, just remove that. Just we are under the all the contacts. Now we are going to check that how it's going to be work or not. So here under the all contacts we need to select as a team bar. Where is team bar? Team bar, yeah. Here just select as team bar, and under the team bar click on detail. Click on detail, and you will see that on the team bar email address, mailing address here. Account name is Grand Hotel Resort here. You can see. So we are under the team bar object and team bar record, and we you can see here like account name and emailing mailing address here. So we are going to change that, and let's see that it works or not. Our process builder rule will fire or not. So just click on the account name, and this will open the that account in the new tab here. And under the details, click on here on the details, and then we need to change the mailing address. So hotel and resort, then we need to click on edit here. So for editing, you can click on here and edit that, or you just want to edit the mailing address. So just go to the mailing address, and then we can add that. So for mailing address here, this is the website, and where is the email? Insert that. Okay, or you can just click on edit here also. So you will find that, just click on edit, and then it will ask you to give the email address, the website, and search public mailing address. Where is the mailing address? I think I'm missing something. Let me go to the team bar again. We are under the team bar. There are two addresses. Why? Just click on contact, all contacts, and then click on team bar, or you can click on anyone, then click on details. uh, you can click on team bar. On the team bar, we got on details, and on the detail page, billing detail page, you can find that the mailing address and the account name. So billing address here, here is the billing address and the account name. Both are present here, like account name here you can find that, and billing address you can find that, both here, or mailing address here, mailing address here. So we are going to change all the three things. Like here we are going to change mailing address, like give your name as USA. I'm going to give name as India, and okay, before changing that, I just click on cancel, and click on Grand Hotel Resort. So it will open the Grand Hotel Resort, and then click on details page. We are going to change the account because that is the contact, so it's not going to do anything. So click here and the details, and then we are going to change the address here, billing mailing address and the billing address, or you can change the name also if you want to change that. I'm going to change the name, account name as a limit. I am going to remove the limited, and then I'm going to give as a billing address as a uh, India, you want to give me, and the billing country, India here. I changed here, and then let's keep here LTD here. We need to LTD, keep it here LTD, and just India billing country as India. Here it's the India. Just yeah, and now just click on save. As soon as we are saving here, just click on related object and come to the team bar, and then click on here again team bar, and click on details, and you can see here India is changed, so mailing address is changed as soon as we change the mailing address of the account object. So this works. Process builder rule will be fire as soon as we edit that or create the new object. So this is all about the process builder, and in the next video we are going to talk about approval process, and I'm going to give the link in the description of this trailer, and you can practice with that. Thank you everyone, thank you.